Let's start the question 3. The question 3 is synthesis by function generation inversion method, slider crank mechanism. In this question, we have to make a slider crank mechanism in which the angle of first connecting rod is given 30 degree and 60 degree at different points, second and third point respectively. And the distance of displacement of the slider is given by 40 mm and 96 mm at the second and third position. So we have to make the slider crank mechanism based on this question. So let's start. So here we will take a fixed point named A. This is the A1. So this is the fixed point. So let's take the slider displacement. Slider may be horizontal or vertical, or on the line of M, or the slider can be up on the upper side of this line, or maybe in downside of this line. So I have taken upper side. This level is 25 mm upper than this line. So firstly I have taken A1 as fixed point and C1 is a fixed point. No, this is not fixed, but it will move. Here I have taken C1. This is the C1 point. So from C1 we have to take 40 mm length in the right side. This will be give C2, and from C1 we have to take 96 mm in the right side. This will give point C3, and after getting point C2 and C3 we will meet the point A1 and C2, also A1 and C3. So for getting C2 dash and C3 dash respectively, we will rotate this line A1 C2 anti-clockwise at 30 degree, so that we will get a point C2 dash, and the line A1 C3 in anti-clockwise at 60 degree, so we will get point C3. And after getting C2 dash and C3 dash, we will meet the point C1 and C3 dash and C1 and C2 dash. For we have done this for getting B1. So let's see how we will get B1. So after meeting this point, we will make a mid normal to this line C1 and C3, and also C1 and C2 dash. This is C3 dash. Sorry. So the intersection of mid normal, this is the first and second mid normal, will give B1 point, and B1 is the required point. So A1, B1 and C1 will be the required mechanism. Here C1 is slider, A1 is fixed point, and B1 is midpoint. So this is the first position, and after that, for getting second position and third position, we have to take an arc of this length C1 and B1, and as a center C2 we will cut an arc in the position. Before this we will make a arc having center A1 and radius A1 B1 in the right side direction. This is the arc, and for getting second and third position we will take an arc having C2 as radius and C2 as center, and radius will be B1 and C1. So we will cut this arc and we will get the point B2. Similarly, as a center C3 and radius this length, we will cut an arc at this arc, and this point will be give B3. So after meeting A1 B2 C2 and A1 B3 C3, we will get three different positions of the slider crank mechanism. So this is the required slider crank mechanism. So this is used in very application. The main applications is in piston cylinder in automobile engines.